Should Daddy say, see, do I have the hiccups? Do you see the video camera? Do you want to eat the video camera? Say, look at my fat little arms and my fat little fingers. And look at my legs. One of my socks fell off. And Mommy's about to take my other one on because she has to put some lotion on me. But don't I look cute, Daddy? Were you waving? Were you saying, hi, Daddy? Say, hi, Daddy. Look, wave your hand. Say, hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. I love you. When she has the hiccup, she's adorable. Look at those pretty eyes. Pretty eyes, pretty eyes, pretty eyes. And do you see that fat belly sticking through her shirt? She's got the fattest little tummy you've ever seen. And look at those little chunker legs. So, Mommy, I don't like that very much. Leave me alone. Hold Mommy's hand? No? Okay, say, Daddy, I just wanted to say hi to you. I see you later. Bless you. Oh, hello, pretty girl. She's avoiding the camera. Say, okay, Daddy, I love you. See you later. Bye.